Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next video is about the owner of this YouTube account. I'm referring to Chinoy TV Online. Yes, Chinoy TV Online. Okay, the title of this video is I'm inviting you to all staff and personnel of Chinoy TV Online to subscribe my YouTube. I would like to introduce myself. I am Steve Hoong. I was born in Manila. Then 14 years later, I was migrated in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. Actually, I did not expect that your videos become viral in social media. So I was surprised that it was a very strong influence to the public. Aside from Filipino Chinese community, it was very amazing. I like it. I thought it's only in CNN Philippines. I think ANC it was featured pero only weekly. So pero para sa akin okay na rin ang weekly, pero yung CNN Philippines I was so amazed that time. Then meron pa kayo hindi alam yung sa meron pang isang channel yung sa Golden Nation Network o GNN, lumabas din ang yung name na Chinoy TV. So I did not expect kasi ang iba may sinasabi yan daw yung Chinatown TV. So I was so amazed actually. Hindi ko na-expect. It's good that you mentioned my alma mater in my elementary because I'm referring to former GCHS or Grace Christian High School. Right now it is called Grace Christian College or GCC. I'm aware of that kasi na-confirm ko it was I think 2009 nag-change sila ng name. So na-accredited na sila sa CHED accredited because you cannot have a college school without accreditation from CHED or Commissioner on Higher Education. So but I only finished on the first year high school in Manila, then transferred in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. So that nagdalawa ang aking first year high school, isa sa Manila, isa sa Dumaguete. Then aside from Grace Christian High School, I was so amazed na meron pa kayong na feature yung sa Chiang Kai-shek College. I was so happy. Buti na mention nyo kasi hindi lang Chiang Kai-shek College, meron pa kayong pupuntahan pang other Chinese schools in Metro Manila. Meron pa akong isang part inaantay yung Saint Stephen, yan, sa Paningyan. Ang hindi ko alam kung nag-operate pa itong Uno High School, Uno, UNO. Iba yung Philippine Cultural High School. Yan, importante yan. Kasi I'm mentioning this because kasi ito yung mga important schools yan, Chinese schools in Metro Manila. What else? Basta marami pa. May I'm not so sure yung isa Immaculate Conception Academy. I think that's in San Juan. Oh, yun. So iba pa yung Saint Stephen High School. Chinese school din yan sa Metro Manila. So hindi lang Chiang Kai-shek College kasi kailangan makuha yan ma-televise yan I understand na it will take time. Of course it needs scheduling. Naintindihan ko kayo kasi alam ko hectic ang trabaho ninyo. So yan lang po. Ang purpose ko itong video na ito is I'm inviting to all staff and personnel na under sa Chinoy TV Online to subscribe my YouTube account. But I'm not saying na pumunta kayo dito Dumaguete City, not necessarily. Actually, ang Filipino-Chinese community dito sa Dumaguete ay napakakonti. Unlike sa lugar natin, Manila, maraming fellow Chinese, Filipino-Chinese. I'm gonna tell you, it's so many compared dito, napakakonti dito. How much more pa? Cebu City, Davao City, worse kung Cagayan de Oro, yun. By the way, may advice pala ako, if you will travel outside Metro Manila like provinces, pag-aralan nyo muna ang traveling cost back and forth. Kailangan pag-aralan nyo muna. Huwag kayo muna mag-travel kung wala sa plan. It should be planned. That's my advice. Kasi when you feature an episode, kailangan naka-plan, naka-synchronize lahat. That's my advice. So, simple lang itong video na ito. Actually, hindi naman to necessarily na as soon as possible. Ito, ginawa ko na to ahead kasi actually, to be honest, nakaschedule siya January 2025 na postpone. So, I planning to move to March before Holy Week. Na-postpone na naman. So, after March, I was thinking, gawin na lang natin June. So, postpone na naman ulit. Pero ito, November 7, 2025, nag-grab na talaga ang opportunity. So, yun na po ang, what they call this, yun na ang aking, what they call this, not necessarily grab the opportunity, although my point is that nakuha na talaga on the spot na yun ang invitation. I hope that this invitation will catch up attention. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon.